11,000 hectares of terraced fields cover part of the Yuanyang Plateau. 1,300 years ago, based on generations of experience in rice cultivation, people here established a system of rationing water with the use of wooden installations.
从木开始10只木到20只木来开学，也不能多，也不能少，都是祖祖辈辈练下来的。
A rationing system ensures that every plot of land, regardless of its elevation, receives sufficient water. Thus, common, sustainable development is ensured. This success and the beautiful landscape are a fruit of the local Hani people's diligence and wisdom.
Today is 78，那片土地是我们的土地，这是我们火烧，火烧啊！
Average per capita arable land worldwide is about a third of a hectare. Yet, these 11,000 hectares of terraced fields support nearly 340,000 people. In other words, 1/30 of a hectare is feeding one person.